So you have a YouTube channel, but you do not have 1,000 subscribers yet. Today's video, what we're gonna cover is how you can get 1,000 subscribers fast. So let's hop in the computer. I'm gonna show you right now how you can do it. Okay, so how do we get 1,000 subscribers fast here on YouTube? Now, one thing you need to understand is it's not that difficult. It's just most people are not willing to put in that little extra work. That's what I want to show you how to do, because really there's no secret. It's all about just putting in the work, all right? So here's what we need to do. And these are the things I'm going to talk about in today's video. So how to get 1,000 subscribers fast. The first thing we need to do is create how-to content within our niche, okay? Let me explain what I mean. So if I type in how to lose weight, that is probably the niche, is weight loss, right? That would be our niche. We want to create valuable how-to content, within the niche. Here's what I mean by that. So how to lose weight is a great topic. However, and people will subscribe to you on how to lose weight, but that doesn't really specify who our audience is. If we say how to lose weight for teenagers, that specifies who our audience is, who we are going after. So any teenager out there that wants to lose weight, they would probably come to your channel and they'd click the subscribe button as long as you had valuable content, okay? Valuable how-to content, okay? If you do not have that valuable how-to content, it's going to be a little bit harder. Here's the reason why. If I type in weight loss vlog, okay, the chances of somebody actually subscribing are very low, because most people do not want to see somebody talk about their weight loss journey. They want to see the steps they took. How I lost 15 pounds in a week. That would be something people would want to watch. That's something that's going to teach you, how somebody did. It doesn't say how to, it's how I. So that's a mix between how to and an actual vlog style video is how I did something, all right? And so that's very important. And that's the first step, is you need to create valuable how-to content within your niche. The next thing, okay, and I'm going to go through this step by step, kind of explain it, is you're going to share your content on other platforms. But before that, let me give you some tips and advice on creating how-to content within your niche. Alright guys, let me explain something. Let me give you a little tip when it comes to creating valuable how-to content within your niche. Now, most people think of how-to and they think of the most generic, basic idea. For example, how to lose weight, how to run fast, how to exercise, how to change oil in my car, things like that, which is great. But you need to kind of niche it down, okay? You need to be very specific, okay? How to change oil in a 1985, Ford pickup, okay? That would be very specific, okay? Because when you niche it down, okay, when you are very specific and you're creating how-to videos, what happens is you start to grow a community around that specific topic. For example, how to lose weight. That's great. However, how to lose weight for teenagers would be better, because now you are niching down to teenagers. So the people that are probably going to click and like and actually subscribe are going to be teenagers. So the next video that you do, how to lose or how to gain muscle for teenagers, how to gain muscle for young adults, how to eat healthy for college students. Again, all kind of the same people, teenagers, young adults, college students, high school graduates, however you want to put it, you can. But as long as you are creating valuable how-to content around your specific topic, target people that are gonna actually fit into your audience. Don't create content on how to lose weight for elderly people, how to lose weight for grandparents, and then the next day you do how to lose weight for 14-year-old overweight kids. Okay? how to get out of the obese category as a preteen. Things like that, they're not gonna work because the people that are trying to lose weight as grandparents are probably not subscribed and stay subscribed if you're creating content on how to lose weight or something that's completely different outside of what they wanna know, okay? That's the first tip. The second tip that I have for you guys, whenever you're creating valuable content, which, valuable is kind of in the eye of the beholder, but what you think is valuable is probably going to translate to your audience as well. So if you think, the most valuable content you can create is, how to lose weight or how to stick to a keto diet, great, teach them that. Because the more likes you get, the more subscribers you get, the more views you get, it's going to start to show you that, okay, my audience actually wants to see this. So when you start to see those little videos start to take off, it goes from getting 100 views to maybe 1,000 views. That's how you know, okay, that's what people want to see. So create more content around that subcategory. Because I guarantee you do this over and over again, you're going to start to build up a bigger audience. You're going to really figure out what your niche is, and you're going to gain more subscribers. Okay, so once you've created that how-to content within your niche, the next thing to do is you need to share your content on other platforms. The most common place people share their content is over on Facebook. And they go to Facebook pages that allow you to share your YouTube videos. But how does that really help? How does that build a subscriber base? It doesn't, okay? It does not. Here's what I want to show you. There's a website out there called Quora.com. I've talked about this many times. Absolutely love the site because it allows us to post our videos onto the site and they get seen. Okay, people watch them. We get some watch time. We get some views. But most importantly, if they like the content, they will subscribe. Here's what I mean. Okay, sticking to the same topic, the same niche. How I lost 15 pounds in a week. All right, how to lose weight. Let's type that in. Let's type in weight loss. That's our topic. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click answer. Here's what I'm looking for. I want to answer a question as to how somebody could lose weight. Specifically, how a young adult, a teenager could lose weight. Let's see. What is the best YouTube video to watch to burn belly fat? Well, if I created a video on exactly how to do that, I'd come over here and I'd click answer. I would answer the video right here. And here's the cool part. When you have, let's say this is my video right here and I want to go and post it. Okay? That doesn't really matter about that. I'm going to click share, click the link. Okay, there we go. I got my link. I'm going to come over here and, this is a great video that will help you burn belly fat. Hopefully this helps, but if you have questions, please comment on the video or message me back directly. Okay, watch right there, and right here I just pasted the link right there, and then it shows up and has a video. Great, right? And then I hit submit. Now I'm not actually going to do that because on this actual account that I have, it's more about business, not about weight loss. So if you create a Quora account, which is absolutely free, great, do it. The only issue is make sure you create an account based on what it is you're going to respond to, the answers or the questions you're going to actually answer. So I'm not going to take my account that's about making money online, business, self-employment, all this stuff, small business marketing, and start answering questions on fitness and weight loss and dieting and exercise and home ownership, because it might not actually translate. People are not going to think, oh, this is a reputable person because he's talking about making money online. He's probably just trying to sell me on something. Okay. So you get the idea. That's what I mean by actually share your content on other platforms. Like I said, share your content on Facebook, but don't just share it on Facebook. Actually contribute, actually add some value to the person's life. Don't just say, hey, watch my video. Okay, which is pretty much what I just did right here is, hey, here's my video, watch it. Okay, I should actually answer a little bit, what's the benefit to burning belly fat? What are you trying to do? Because honestly, what's the best YouTube video to watch to burn belly fat? One of the things I would say is you don't just burn belly fat, you burn calories, which the belly is the last thing pretty much to go. Okay, it's the hardest thing. You do not target fat specifically. Okay, you can build muscle specifically, but you can't burn fat specifically. It's just all around you burn fat. Okay? So that's one of the things I would do. Share my content, actually add value, contribute, benefit the person's life in some way, and then that's when you give your link and you show them your video. Okay? The more people and the more questions you can answer, from, how to lose weight or whatever it is the better off you're going to be. Post your videos, post your links, and actually share your content, because once they come here, hopefully they see it and subscribe, because that's what you want. Okay? Next thing, comment on other similar channels. So let's say I'm all about losing weight. Okay? Let's say this is my channel right here. One of the things I want to do, okay, let's see, go to videos. So one of the things I want to do is, let's say I can come to any video. Let's see, this one right here. So it's a vlog. I'm going to click on it anyway. I'm going to pause that. One of the things I want to do is I want to come and find videos that are related to my channel. Okay? Now there's other ways to do it, but this is another quick way to do it. Now the problem is this is going to show me videos that are similar to what I've been watching or my kids have been watching on my computer. Okay, so this isn't going to be a great way to do it, but this is all I do. I come down here and see what's actually shown to me, and I start clicking on some of these links or some of these videos, and I'd go and comment on them. Okay, another thing I can do, how to lose weight, just like that. Just type in just like that. I'm gonna click on filter, and I'm gonna click on upload date. Okay, here's the reason why I would do that. So this one right here, what I eat in a day to lose weight. Juicy Jazz. So 16 hours ago, 18,000 views. What I would do, I'd open up this one. Okay, I'd find another one that's been done recently, has a decent amount of views. This one, again, another decent amount. I'd do that one, and I'd come down here, 2 healthy salad recipes for weight loss, right there. Okay, I'd open up all those. So here's what I would do. So I'm gonna pause that video. So what I eat in a day to lose weight. Okay, great. If you notice right here, comment on other similar channels. So she's talking about weight loss. I want to talk about weight loss. So I'd write something like this is a great video. A lot of valuable information in here. Thanks for posting this. Okay. I do a lot of videos very similar to this, and I now have some more ideas for how I can lose weight. Thanks for the great video and keep up the good work. I am a fan now. Okay? Or you could write, new subscriber here. Okay, something like that, and I'd hit comment. Now I'm not gonna actually post this because I haven't watched the video. I have no clue what she's saying, but that's what I would do. Okay, I do something like that. I post a comment because, and this does work, this is something that I've shown you on several other videos as well, is if you post a comment like this guy did, okay, like if this is if you're an OG of Jazz, okay, 100% you can be an OG of me today, people like this, maybe they're actually subscribing because they click on his face or his name and go subscribe there, okay. Grab a healthy snack, hot Cheetos and a Diet Coke. By the way, I started my YouTube channel thanks to Jazz. Okay, great. 74 people like this. There's replies. Maybe people are clicking on this name or the photo and going over and subscribing to the channel because they're very similar. Okay, that's just one. Here's another channel. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pause that one again. And so same thing. How to lose weight on the oatmeal diet. And I do the exact same thing. I never thought the oatmeal diet was an actual thing. Thanks for turning me on to this. Okay. By the way, a new subscriber here. Okay, just like that. Okay, very simple. And then I'd go ahead and I'd hit comment, go and post it. Okay, because people are gonna read these. People are gonna see, oh, that person, yeah, it's great. He never thought the oatmeal diet was an actual thing. The person just turned him on to it, a new subscriber. Or you could even write, I am going to try this and update you on my channel as to how it works out. Okay? Something like that. Very simple. And people will be like, oh, well, this was posted 2 months ago. I wonder how he did. I wonder if he did an update. Okay? Simple. Just like that. Okay? That's all it takes. Now, here's the last thing. Ask for subscribers in your videos. It's that simple. You're going to notice in just a little bit, at the end of my video, I'm going to ask you to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. That simple. And I ask on every single one of my video. You know, at the very end, sometimes I ask in the beginning, sometimes I ask in the middle, sometimes, like right now, I'll ask and say, hey, if you're not yet a subscriber to my YouTube channel, make sure you click the subscribe button, subscribe today. Okay? That simple. All you have to do is ask. It's called a CTA, a call to action. If you never tell people what they should do next, most people would not do anything. But if you give them a handful of ideas, then hopefully they pick one of those ideas. If you tell them one thing like, subscribe to my channel, most likely they're going to click the button and subscribe as long as they gained any value out of that. Okay? So that's it. That's all you have to do to get 1,000 subscribers fast. Now, I know I say all, and it seems like there's very little to do, but again, there's a lot to do. You just have to put in the work. Alright guys, hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully this video answered some questions for you and put you on the right track to gaining 1,000 subscribers very fast. If you have any questions, you can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, want more videos on how you can gain more subscribers, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.